sex travelers? Have you ever been in Crete? If not, then please come with me. Before everything, let me explain a bit about the situation here. Some weeks ago, I was sitting in front of my PC and I got a message on Couchsurfing from Yasmin. We both like to travel, so we decided to go on a road trip by hitchhiking around Crete. So Yasmin arrived and we made our preparations. Shopped some essential stuff we needed, while the next morning we had our breakfast and got on the car to get out of the city.
So here we are, and I guess I should go help her out with hitchhiking. Wow, we're so lucky that we got picked up by this amazing Cretan guy. Hello Ilya, how are you?
How are you? How are you?
I'm great. Elias is awesome and he's taking us almost halfway through to Ayusdeka, which is a village. Ilya, thank you so much. Very good spot to start hitchhiking all the way to the south. We're extremely lucky today. We found a second ride that goes exactly where we want to go. I don't know what's going on. Let's do it. Actually, I wanted to vlog and say exactly why are we doing this and how are we gonna do it. And I don't have the time. We found the car so fast and there's just no time to explain what we're gonna do. So we have three objectives. First of all, we're gonna hitchhike. Second of all, we're gonna camp. And third of all, we're gonna do it on a $10 budget a day. We're gonna try. Now we're going up on the mountain. Yeah, ευχαριστούμε.
That was the moment when we arrived at the village of Croton. To meet with our kind host, Yuta. After a small walk, she brought us to her house that we would spend the night.
So we're here. Actually, I don't know what I want to say. The plan is to go for a small walk until the sun sets. We're not gonna see any sunset, but anyway, we're going out. Yasmin, what do you think we're gonna find?
Oh no, don't ask me without being prepared.
That's the thing, you need to be like spontaneous.
You're not spontaneous. You think a long time before you say something. You even write it down.
Yes, of course. I'm the fucking director of this channel.
Yeah. What is my line?
You have to figure it out.
You're the...
Please don't die.
I think I'm not going to die tonight.
That's a good punchline. That's gonna go into the vlog. We reached this place. The sun is going down, so...
Let's go.
Exactly there.
We got warm again from our conversations and the raki at the house until we finally got to sleep.
Morning! That's awesome, right? It's priceless to wake up and watch that view. Just look at it. Do you see that? This is actually the southernmost place of the whole Europe. Exactly where we're going. Oh, I'm gonna miss that view.
Yuta escorted us until the central road and we said goodbye. We got our next ride with Minas and after 30 minutes we finally arrived at the sea.
Yeah, we made it! There's nothing like Crete. This is our road and we're going to find our home for the next, I don't know. Wow!
Our living room.
Look at that, we're in heaven! And I think we found our home as well. Look, come. Look at that! Woohoo! It's our home!
It was indeed our home for the next days. We immediately got into the rhythm of the place and enjoyed our first sunset. Next morning we had to go buy supplies from the nearest village.
You know where we're going, right?
Up the hill, down the hill.
This is where we're going. This is Landas. Let's go. How do you feel you're in Landas?
Hungry
Where are we going now?
to find some food.
So we bought what we needed to head back again from the path.
That path is so steep. I mean, like,
Hey, we're home! Now, let's eat!
bread?
Salty tomatoes.
Of course, with olive oil because it's the best thing in the fucking universe. Salt and oregano. Delicious.
After food, we needed our siesta in our comfortable living room. And this is mainly how our days passed in this incredible beach of South Crete. Our view could be like that, or like that, or like that. However it was, we would enjoy every single moment of it.
So this is camping in winter. Yes, it's windy, yes, it's cold, but yes, it's freaking awesome.
No, I don't want to leave.
We're leaving!
We're leaving.
And we don't want to leave because it was so good.
It was awesome.
We're sad that we're leaving now.
Yeah, I think now we're going to cry a bit.
Are you gonna cry?
Let's cry a bit.
I don't think I can cry in front of the camera.
Let's turn it off and cry.
Okay.
After our desperate cries, it was time to say this hard goodbye to our lovely house and hit the road again.
We're kinda in the middle of nowhere and trying to hitchhike. Nothingness, except Yasmin. Garbage, more or less that's it. We're just gonna wait here for, I don't know, like 2-3 days and then we're going back to Heraklion.
We were again lucky as Uwe took us until the next village, and then this lovely German couple carried us again to Dyskos.
Rain caught us, so we're here in this gas station and we'll try to hitchhike to Heraklion. And we got saved by Nikos. Thank you, Nikos.
You're welcome.
After some more rain and a massive traffic jam at the entrance of the city, we managed to arrive in one piece.
Home sweet home.
Now, if we could turn the time back before we started this trip, we were both afraid that we would freeze to death, or that my camera and my gear would get fogged from a possible rain. As you saw, it was a lot better than the two of us could imagine before. And it's always like that. At the beginning of everything, you and me, we are overthinking the situation and only think of the worst case scenarios. But reality is always different and most of the times better of what you thought. So, stop thinking, get your ass from the couch and go do that thing you're afraid of. Always remember that spending less is travel more. Once again, thank you so much for watching, be well and see you next time!